Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So head over to the Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the icon on the lower right. And in here, tap on the three lines icon on the top right. Now go to archive. Now change it to story archive. Now, as you can see, I have no highlights in here or any archived highlights. So I am tapping on a story and tapping on the highlight in the lower right corner. And here, name your highlight. Tap on add. And if I go back now, as you can see, my highlight is created. This is how you can create your highlight too. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.